Every construction machine has a part to play, but which machine is the coolest of them all? Let's count them down. Coming in at number 5, it's the John Deere Grader. Available in big and small versions, graders can scrape any surface flat. No matter what size it is, it's got smooth moves. Our number 4 machine proves that size isn't everything. Meet the skid steer. Tiny, but mighty. With the right attachments, it can be a bulldozer, carry logs, or even act like a buzzsaw. Next up at number 3 is an all-time classic, the Bulldozer. It scoops at one end, shovels at the other, and is awesome all the way around. And check out those treads! The dozer can go wherever there's work to do. Number 2 goes to the mighty dump truck. When there's stuff to be hauled, nothing does it better than an articulated dump truck. No construction site can do without them. Our number 1 John Deere construction machine is the Excavator. This big boy spins, digs, and gets the job done. We never get tired of seeing a dig. We could watch it the whole day. Ouch! Sorry about that pun. These are definitely cool machines, but we've just scratched the surface of the world of construction vehicles. Which John Deere machine is your favorite?